I was going to ask you, do you have the ones from before that I read? See,
I'll try to look at them. Rebecca, do you want to give the whole law firm a call and see if they, what the holdup is?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and
Okay, thank you. Okay. Are there any announcements on the 3 cases that you just met on?
Yes, there are on both of the Lopez cases, Alejandro Lopez and Giancarlo Lopez.
Mhm.
We are going to request a 60-day reset on that because we think there's going to be a companion case in county court at law.
Okay. All right.
And then on Daisha Feaster,
Mhm.
we need a brief recess on her so that Mr. Hurt can discuss with his client what the offer is.
And that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Let's start with the Lopez cases. So you need 60 days, which puts us into March. For our Zoom that month is March 7th. Does that give enough time?
That should be enough time.
Okay. And if you find that you need a continuance because you don't have an answer yet, just file the appropriate motion and we'll set you out a little bit further.
Okay.
So that'll be March 7th at 9 a.m. by Zoom. And Mr. Hurt, with regard to the Feister matter.
A reset, Your Honor, if that's available.
Would the 10th give you sufficient time?
February?
No, of January. How long do you need?
I was thinking at least 30 days so I can get with her and then, yeah.
Okay. Then our Zoom docket for February will be February 7th at 9 a.m. Does that work for the parties?
It does, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does.
If we reach a resolution sooner, we can get the paperwork and do it that way.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. That would be appreciated. All right, then is there anything further on these 3 cases?
Nothing
Nothing.
further.
Mr. Hart, thank you for being here this morning. Happy New Year, and you can be excused.
All right, y'all have a good day. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Ms. Pearson, Rebecca is placing a phone call to Jennifer at the Whole firm
Okay.
to see if they're going to appear this morning. It's already 9:12. That's
Okay.
in case number 220918. Have you heard from them at all?
Well, yes, I received an email in December asking, if there was an offer and anything like that. And I emailed her back actually yesterday.
Okay.
So I haven't, let me look and see if I've
So
even, you want me to look
largely-
and see if I received a response this morning?
Yeah, I wasn't for sure if you had reached an agreement and were simply
No.
waiting on paperwork, or if she
Mm-mm.
needed, or if you guys were still on the docket this morning. I hadn't received anything from their firm requesting a continuance.
Yeah, no, I have not made any offers on this one.
Okay. All right, we'll see whether or not Rebecca can get a hold of them. So if
Okay.
everyone can just hold tight here for a few minutes.
Okay.
Judge Becker?
Yes.
Okay, I got a hold of someone and apparently the email that I sent it to, that person is very sick, but I got a hold of someone else and they asked me to send them the link. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, he's standing by at the
Okay.
whole firm.
Yeah, no problem. Those things happen.
Tom has COVID. Tom
He
Hurt.
does?
Tom
Oh.
Hurt.
Was he at the office or is he at home?
No, he's homebound.
Okay.
His wife banished
Just-
him to a room and said, "Don't come out."
Just a reminder, we are live on YouTube.
Yes, yes. Sorry. I did know that, but I should have been thinking more about Mr. Hurt. I apologize.
Link, the Zoom link. Log on. Sorry, I didn't hear the announcements for the Lopez cases and like Dacia Feaster or Feister.
On the Lopez matters, I'm looking to see whether or not there's going to be a companion case in county court. So that has been reset, or not a reset, but it's been set on the Zoom docket for March 7th at 9 a.m.
Both of those.
Yeah, and I'm not going to necessarily set those for, I guess we can just set them, Ms. Pearson, for pretrial, or do you just want an additional initial appearance hearing?
We could set it for a pretrial. That gets a little bit closer to resolution, correct?
Yeah, that's fine. And if somebody ends up filing motions after that, then we can just reset it.
Okay.
And
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
right, for Feister, we can actually, let's do those other ones as an initial
Yes.
appearance
I
hearing,
think
so
so.
nobody has any kind of deadlines that are associated with that, except for filing the complaint, just in case
Yeah.
it goes forward, that we can get that to Mr. Hurt. And then for Ms. Feister, that one will be on February 7th at 9 a.m. by Zoom. And Mr. Hurt had stated that he'll be conferring with his client about an offer that was made.
Okay.
So that one can probably be a pretrial.
Thank you. I just wanted to make my notes here.
Yes, no problem.
Pick back on that. kickback. Hold on, let me try to send it again. We're just fine, so we'll just see if he logged in.
Ms. Person, while we've got you here, it looks like we had reset Ruben Rodriguez for this afternoon to give time to submit his driver's license. He did submit proof of his driver's license, so I believe it's in your box for the dismissal.
Okay,
So we
great.
won't need to hear his case this afternoon.
Okay.
It's taking so long.
Hold. Well, I'm just muting myself.
Rebecca, if they are having technical issues, do you want to see if they would rather appear at 1:30 and we can get the email squared away with them? Or are they still trying to log on?
Hey. I had Cindy try to call them again, and this time she said this time it went straight to voicemail. The first time I called, it rang and rang and rang and rang and rang, like endless rings, and finally someone picked up. And that's how they were able to let me know to send it to john@thewholefirm.com. I mean, I can try to send the link again, but did it go through? I'm looking at it here. I didn't get a kickback this time.
Okay. Because I need to get over to the jail. But we'll give them a little bit longer here. Maybe we can get a response. Or we'll just reset them see if they can appear in the 1:30 docket. They may have resolved the technical issues by then.
Yeah, it just seems it's I'm trying to see if they have a different phone number.
Ms. Pearson, apparently they still have not logged in, and they may be having some technical difficulties. So on the vessels matter, what we may end up doing is setting it for 1:30 and seeing
Okay.
if in the meantime they can't resolve the issue. We're still going to give them a few more minutes here,
Okay.
but that may be what we end up doing.
Okay.
The only phone number that's on their letterhead and on their emails Not getting any response. Cindy tried calling again, it went to voicemail again. I found another email I sent it to, but I don't know if you want to wait or if you just want to go ahead and set it for the afternoon.
Unmute. Let's go ahead and set it for the 1:30 docket.
We'll try to reach out to them again, let them know that it's for 1:30.
Okay.
Thank you.
This concludes the morning docket. Court is adjourned. Thank you, Ms. Pearson.